So we're here in South Otago. We've just installed a 45 kilowatt system for a dairy farmer. The system is all on ground mount, as we didn't have enough space on his roof, so he decided to put them on the ground, where we had plenty of space there. There's 150 panels in this system. So here we have the inverter. We've installed a 50 kilowatt ABB inverter. Now this inverter has 3 MPPTs, which allows us to install panels in 3 separate directions. It also comes with its own AC isolator. And its own DC isolator, as you can see. And here you've incorporated a switchboard, a subboard. That's our 3-phase inverter.